Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how you can download YouTube videos from the website. So if you are somebody who is new to YouTube and you don't have any idea how to download it, so you can go into your account and here you will find all the videos that you uploaded, and you can just choose the video that you want to download. You can just go scroll to a video and see, you'll see these three dots here. Just click on the options and you can choose download. Okay, so this is one way to go ahead and download all your videos. Well, you'll have to download it one by one, so this is all the option. So the next method is to go into the YouTube video itself, your own video, then click on this three dots here, and here you have the option to download. So they'll ask us to download 480 pixels or low, 144 pixels, or if you will have a premium, you can go ahead and download the full HD version. So this is another way you can go ahead and download. So you have no other option to download other people's YouTube videos. YouTube actually is very strict on that. So there's not much tutorials on YouTube as well. They don't provide any kind of tips because it's completely not allowed. So most people who provide tips on YouTube are not being straightforward. You will find so many videos telling you how to download, but they won't show you anything. So that is why nobody is allowed to make videos on that. But if you guys want to, you can try your own. You can search on Google how to download videos. Okay, so that is the best option. The other option is to download use extensions on Google Chrome or Firefox. You have these extensions which are available. Just search for how to find it or how to use Firefox extensions. You will find so many videos on that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you guys found this video helpful, do like and subscribe to my channel. I make similar content like this. Thank you anyways. Have a nice day.